Ano mang problema yan, malaki man yan o maliit. At meron kang mindset sa sarili mo na alam mo na matatapos din yan. Diba? Lahat ng bagay naman may katapusan. And of course, lagi tayong magpasalamat sa Kanya. Alright, let's go. Let's do this.
Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you.
When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me.
I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down,